A 5 kilogram block placed on a frictionless horizontal table is connected to a string that passes over a pulley and then is fastened to a hanging 9 kilogram block as shown in the figure below. Draw the free body diagrams of both objects and find the acceleration of two objects and the tension in the string. So, in this case, let's identify the forces acting on mass 2 and the forces acting on mass 1. So in this case, i-assume mo din natin ang ating acceleration. So in this particular example, in-assume ko na ang system ko ay mag-accelerate sa clockwise direction. Ibig sabihin, in-assume ko yung clockwise direction as positive acceleration. So all the forces with the same direction as acceleration ay positive at lahat ng forces opposing the motion of the system is negative. Ibig sabihin, kung ang direction po ng force ay pa-counterclockwise, negative yon. Pero kung ang force ay counterclockwise or same ng direction acceleration, negative yon. Now, let's identify the forces. So, for mass 2, we have the gravitational force. So, we have M2G, and then we have tension 2. And then, for mass 1, we have tension 1, and then we have the gravitational force, M1G, at meron din tayong normal force na Fn, which is equal to M1G. So, in this case, bakit equal yung normal force M1G? So, dito, in-apply po natin yung third law of acceleration na for every action, there is an equal and opposite magnitude of reaction force. Okay? So, kaya equal po sila. So, in this case, makakancel na po si normal force at si gravitational force. Okay? So, to calculate acceleration is equal to summation of force divided by mass total. So, in this case, we have M2G positive kasi clockwise direction sa M2G, same direction ng assumed positive acceleration natin. So, positive. And, wala na. Kasi yung tension 2 at tension 1, hindi na natin siya isasama sa calculation natin kasi makakancel din yan kasi same lang yung magnitude ni tension 1 at ni tension 2 kasi nakapatong sila sa isang frictionless pulley. So, in this case, i-divide na lang natin ito sa mass total na mass 1 plus mass 2. Now, let's plug in the values. So, acceleration is equal to 9 kg multiplied by 9.8 meter per second squared divided by mass 1 which is equal to 9 kg plus mass 2 which is equal to 5 kg. So in this case po, ang magnitude ng ating acceleration ay 6.30 meter per second. So tandaan po natin na ang value ng ating acceleration ay 6.30 meter per second. Next, let's calculate naman the tension in the string. So, in this case po, ito ulit ang aking magiging basis of calculating the tension. So, I will calculate tension 2. So, in this case, summation of forces along the vertical is equal to MAY. So, we have negative tension plus M2G is equal to M2AY. So, again, bakit negative yung ating tension? Kasi nga, ang kinukuha ko po ay yung value ni tension 2. Si tension 2 po ay papunta sa counterclockwise direction. It opposes the motion of the system. Kasi again, our system is assumed to be accelerated in the clockwise direction. So kaya siya ay negative. Plus M2G, same direction acceleration, is equal to M2AY. So, in this case, itatranspose ko po yung tension, magiging positive, tapos itatranspose natin yung M2A, magiging negative. So, in this case, tension is equal to M2G minus M2AY. And then, we have tension is equal to mass 2. Ipa-factor out po natin si mass 2. Pinactor out natin. Ibig sabihin, inilabas natin. So, mass 2 times G minus AY. And then let's plug in the values. The value of your mass 2 is equal to 9 kg and then multiplied to 9.8 meter per second squared minus dun sa nakuha nating acceleration kanina na 6.30 or 6.3 meter per second squared. So in this case po, yung value ng ating tension 2 ay equal sa 31.5 Newton. So overall, since again equal si tension 1 at tension 2, tension 1 is equal to tension 2 is equal to 31.5 Newton.